Hello, healthcare providers. Welcome back to the channel. Whether you're managing a busy clinic, running a specialized practice, or just looking for ways to make your operations smoother, this is the place to be. Today, we're exploring a topic that's quietly transforming healthcare across New Jersey. And no, it's not the latest medical breakthrough. It's something that's making life easier for doctors, staff, and most importantly, patients. Virtual medical assistants. Picture this. Your day starts with a full schedule of patient appointments, but before you can even see your first patient, there's a mountain of administrative tasks waiting for you. Insurance verification, appointment reminders, follow-ups, documentation, the list goes on. Sound familiar? It's the reality for so many healthcare providers, especially in New Jersey, where the demands are high and time is always in short supply. Now, let's face it, most providers didn't enter the healthcare field to spend their days buried in paperwork. You're here to care for your patients, to build relationships, and to make a difference in their lives. But the administrative workload? It's often what stands in the way. That's where virtual medical assistants, or VMAs, come in. So what exactly are virtual medical assistants? Think of them as your remote support team. They're trained professionals who handle the behind-the-scenes work that keeps your practice running smoothly. They don't sit in your office, but they're always just a call or a message away, ready to tackle tasks like appointment scheduling, insurance verification, medical documentation, and even telemedicine support. Essentially, they take on the time-consuming tasks so you can focus on your patients. But here's the thing, it's not just about delegating work. It's about solving some of the biggest challenges that healthcare providers face today. Let's talk about those for a moment. In New Jersey, staffing costs are no joke. Practices in areas like Edison, Newark, or even smaller towns often struggle with the high expense of hiring and retaining in-house staff. And even when you do find the right people, there's the added pressure of workforce shortages. It's not always easy to find skilled professionals who can jump in and keep things running smoothly. And then there's the issue of burnout. It's no secret that healthcare providers are stretched thin. Between patient care, administrative responsibilities, and managing staff, it's easy to see how things can feel overwhelming. When you're burned out, it's hard to provide the level of care your patients deserve. And that's something no provider wants to experience. This is exactly why more and more practices in New Jersey are turning to services like virtual medical assistants. VMAs aren't just a convenience, they're becoming a necessity. By outsourcing these tasks, providers can free up their time, reduce stress, and focus on delivering exceptional care. And here's the bonus. Outsourcing to VMAs is far more cost-effective than maintaining a fully in-house team. Now you might be thinking, this sounds great, but how do I make it work for my practice? That's where Staffingly comes in. Staffingly specializes in providing tailored virtual medical assistant solutions designed to meet the unique needs of healthcare providers, including those right here in New Jersey. They understand the challenges you're facing, whether it's managing a growing patient base, dealing with administrative overload, or trying to stay ahead in a competitive market. And they're here to help you tackle those challenges head-on. What makes Staffingly stand out? Well, for starters, their VMAs are trained to integrate seamlessly into your operations. They're skilled in working with popular EHR systems, revenue cycle management, and telemedicine platforms. Whether you're running a small practice or a large healthcare facility, Staffingly services scale with you. And here's something every provider will appreciate. Staffingly offers 24/7 availability. That means your practice stays supported, even outside of regular hours. From helping patients book appointments to ensuring follow-ups are completed on time, their VMAs work like an extension of your team, always there when you need them. Here's a quick real-world example. A pediatric clinic in Edison was struggling to keep up with administrative tasks. Insurance verifications were delayed, patient wait times were growing, and staff turnover was becoming a problem. They decided to partner with Staffingly, and the results were incredible. Their administrative workload was reduced by 50%, appointment capacity increased by 40%, and patients started noticing and appreciating the quicker service. This is the kind of transformation that's possible when you embrace virtual medical assistance. It's not just about improving efficiency, it's about creating a better experience for your patients. When your practice runs smoothly, it shows in every interaction, from the front desk to the exam room. Now, if you're wondering whether virtual medical assistants are right for you, consider this. Staffingly's solutions are fully HIPAA compliant, so you can trust that your patient's data is handled with the utmost care. And the savings, they're hard to ignore. Many practices report saving up to 70% on staffing costs by outsourcing with Staffingly. That's money you can reinvest into your practice, whether it's upgrading equipment, expanding services, or simply taking a moment to breathe. At the end of the day, it's all about finding solutions that work for you, and virtual medical assistants are one of the most effective tools out there. If you're ready to take the next step, Staffingly is here to guide you every step of the way. Their team is dedicated to helping practices like yours thrive in today's fast-paced healthcare environment. Thanks so much for watching today's video. And if you're ready to explore how virtual medical assistants can transform your practice, reach out to Staffingly. They'd love to help. Until next time, take care and keep doing what you do best, making a difference in your patients' lives.
If you are looking for outsourcing services, schedule a demo today by visiting www.staffingly.com or emailing us at support@staffingly.com or call us on the number 1-800-489-5877.